Today on Loving the Real World, we do a sketch-up of Panther. Then we wash them off and fix the issues that cause the check engine lights to come on. Okay, let's see what we're going to get started with here. Here's the engine bay. Everything's still factory to a certain point, I guess. No big changes have been done with the motor. And we're just going to clean it up and see where we get started here. Before we get too far along in this, we'd like to ask for your help in picking out a set of wheels. So look at these choices of American Racing wheels. Choose A, B, or C, and put it in the comments below if you would. We appreciate your help and look forward to seeing what you pick. Now that the engine bay is kind of a little cleaned up, we're going to pull Panther up on the rack, start working on those check engine lights. The first one is the P0141. So the bank one on the F150 is on the passenger side for the 5.0. And sensor 2 is the second one down the exhaust pipe. Okay, that's where the O2 sensor connects up at. We're going to try to get that disconnected. Probably have to put the camera down to do that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but right there is your O2 sensor. It's right behind the catalytic converter, and the wires go across the transmission, and I've gotten it loose. It wasn't too bad, but once you get it loose, all you got to do is take it out. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, and what you're supposed to do is just drop it back in there. It comes with some anti-seize on the threads, so if you want to add more you can, but I'm just putting it in what it comes with. Then you just tighten it back down finger tight, and once you get it finger tight, you're supposed to go 3/4 of a turn with a wrench. At the same time, you don't want to twist up these wires as you tighten it back down. Once you get that in there, tighten it down 3/4 of a turn, then you just run the wire across the top and click it back into here, and you should be good to go. Okay, the P1405 pressure feedback sensor upstream hose, it is all for clog, and it turned out it was just clogged. So basically all I did was take it off and did a nice little breath test, like they do when they pull you over and say, hey, blow into this. And finally it unstopped, thank goodness. Oh well, oh that tastes good. Anyway, one more marked off our list. Okay, let's see what we have. Nothing in stored codes. And no pending codes. So does that mean we're okay? I don't know. We only can hope so. And don't forget to leave your comments below. We want you to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about us and hope to hear from you soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.